Hey everyone, it's Priscilla from the Stitch Queen Crochet, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a double crochet 3 cluster stitch or 3 double crochet cluster stitch. It's basically a decrease of 3 double crochets. Alright, so I'm going to start off on an already finished base of single crochet to show you guys how to do it onto the top of that row. As you can see here, all the V's are the stitches that you should be going into when you're crocheting. Alrighty. So to start off, I'm going to just chain one. A lot of people start off their rows differently, but I start off all of my rows with a chain one. So you're gonna, after you do that, you're gonna wrap the yarn around your hook. You're gonna insert it into that first stitch there, not the chain, but into the first stitch. You're gonna put it through that. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it up once, wrap the yarn around your hook, and then pull it through 2 loops. Now, you're going to wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it back into the same stitch that you already went into, wrap the yarn around your hook, pull it through once, wrap the yarn around your hook, and pull it through 2 loops. As you can see, you have 2 unfinished double crochets. Now we're going to do it one more time because it is a 3 double crochet cluster stitch. So wrap the yarn around your hook, put it into that same stitch, wrap the yarn around your hook like a tongue twister, and pull it up 1, wrap it around your hook, and pull it through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. You have 3 unfinished double crochet and then that beginning loop you already had on your hook. Now wrap the yarn around your hook and pull it through all 4 loops. And that is a 3 double crochet cluster stitch. Now if you want to continue going across the row, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and go into the one after that. So I chained 1, wrap the yarn around my hook. I'm going to put it through that next stitch after I skipped 1 into the next one, wrap the yarn around, pull it up once, wrap it around, and pull it through 2. Wrap around my hook, put it back into that same stitch, wrap the yarn around my hook, pull it up once, wrap, pull it through 2. Now we have 2 unfinished. We got to do 1 more. Wrap the yarn around your hook, put it into that same stitch, wrap the yarn around, pull it up through 1, wrap it around, and pull it through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook again. So wrap the yarn around your hook and pull it through all 4. Now you see, as you can see, we have 2 double crochet cluster stitches. As I said, to continue, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and do that same cluster stitch into the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, subscribe to my channel, like and comment what tutorials you'd like to see next, and have an awesome day crocheting, everybody.